what they're really asking is how frequently is your data in my market that I'm in, right? But they don't say it that way. They say how frequently is your data, or when do you do your updates? And when you ask me that question, it's very general. So I'm going to reply back with, well, we update every 24 hours, because the reality is California can do an update yesterday, Oklahoma can do an update today, Texas tomorrow, et cetera, et cetera. So yes, we do update every 24 hours, but that doesn't mean your county updates every 24 hours, right? So let me show you how you can find the frequency. Not too many people know about this.
Yeah, man,
So
I don't know about this.
exactly. So there you go. So if you pull up a market, let's say I'm in Broward County, Florida. I'm from Orange County, California, by the way, but I'm in Florida now. And I wanted to know, hey, how frequently is Propstream's data in Broward County? Here's the first thing I'm going to show you. Look at your results on the right-hand side. And a lot of people don't know, but there's 3 ways to view your results. The first way is what you're seeing, and that's called pick view. Shows you a picture if there's one available, the address, a description. There's list view, gets rid of the picture, address, description, right? And last but certainly not least, one that no one really even uses is the spreadsheet view. It's right here. Click on that. You have now the spreadsheet view. And I love this because, again, it shows you a lot more information than what we saw in the first 2 views. Now, the column that you want to resonate with, if you want to know frequency in your market, is this one right here that says last updated. So here's how it works. If I'm in Broward County, Florida, and I wanted to know when Propstream last updated, their MLS data, I'm going to click on that MLS box. So I only see just the MLS records in Propstream. And then once I do that, I'm going to click on the spreadsheet view. And once I get that spreadsheet view, I'm going to look for last updated, and I'm going to click on that twice. Clicking on it twice puts the most recent record at the top and the oldest at the very bottom. And so when we do that, we discover that the MLS data in Broward County was last updated 3 days ago on the 28th. And why is that important? Is because data is not the same in one county and the next. So if I go to like Raleigh, North Carolina, a whole different state, a whole different city, and I do the same thing, click on that MLS, go here and view it, the date might be either the same, which it looks like it is, great, or it could be different, it could be a week ago. But also to note, MLS is not pre-foreclosure data, right? These different boxes are from different vendors, different data collectors. So although the MLS in Raleigh, North Carolina was updated on the 28th, that doesn't mean the pre-foreclosure was. And so if I click on pre-foreclosures and I click on this tab, I then can see the last updated record and see when their last updated record was. And so click on it twice, most recent first, oldest down, the 22nd, right? Yep. And here's the thing. If you're good at this, you're curious like I am, right?
Yeah.
So what I would do is I would start scrolling down and looking at the next date. So the 22nd was their update. Then they had one the 18th and on the 17th and on the 15th, right? You might be able to catch a pattern. Oh, they're doing it every Wednesday. Oh, they're doing it every 2 weeks.
Nice.
Right? So that's why I want to highlight this. Again, this is not used often. This is what I call the spreadsheet view. And I definitely encourage you guys to utilize that a little bit more than normal.
Didn't know about the spreadsheet view.
Thank you, my brother, for admitting that. As a matter of fact, let me show you a cool trick with it. I always get people that say, how do I know if my market's a hot market? How do I know where in my market is a hot market? I've been told follow the money. We've always heard that statement before. So guess how that spreadsheet view can help me? Click on cash buyers. Just see the cash buyers in this city. Click on spreadsheet view in this city. And then after I click on spreadsheet view, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the zip code. I'm going to break this city up by zip code, but break it up in the cash transaction records. So now I can see which cash transactions, which zip code had the most cash transactions. Like 27502 only had one. That's probably not a hot market right now.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You see what I'm talking about? So as you scroll down, you're going to see that zip code that's just standing out.